Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to create slope and elevation map, and I'll add a bonus one, which is contour lines. Yes, so stay tuned. So to create a slope and elevation map, and possibly in this video a contour map, a contour line, you need a digital elevation model, DEM. So let me drag the DEM. This is the shapefile, the boundary of the area we are going to deal with, the Tafo municipality of the Ashanti region of Ghana. So this is the DEM. I've added the DEM. Have you seen that? So when I downloaded the DEM, it's covered all these areas, but we are just going to work with only these small parts. By the way, if you want to know how to download digital elevation model, a DEM, from USGS Explorer, watch this particular video. It will take you through. It's very simple. That video will guide you through how you can download digital elevation model from USGS Explorer. So assuming you are done downloading it, your DEM is ready. The first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to clip the study area. So your study area boundary is here, the DEM is here. Go to search. If the search is not here, it's not pinned over here, you can go to Windows, search is there, then you activate it, or you can see the search over here. Then you search for clip. You see clip data management, you select that one. So the first drop down already selects the DEM, so mine is Tafo DEM. At the second one, you select the boundary of your district. Over here, you specify where you want it to be saved. Do you get it? Yes, so let me look at the folder. So slope and elevation. You get it? So slope and elevation. Now write Tafo underscore clip. Do you get it? Now pay attention to this. When you are clipping a raster, and if you want it to be clipped to the exact boundary you are working with, you have to check these two. Check this box and this box. Do you get it? Then you click OK. It is running over here. It is done running. Then you uncheck this, uncheck the boundary. This is it. You could have go ahead and create a slope for the whole area. Do you get it? Then when you are done, you just clip out your study area at the end. But the issue is that your computer might not have the strength to process all this area, this very big DEM. It might not have the strength, the capacity to process them. Do you get it? And we also don't want the whole area, so why not in the first place do the clipping? So that's why we are done with the clipping. That is why we've done the clipping. So let me remove this. So this is it. So now with the slope, to create the slope, let us start with that one. The DEM is already here. Do you get it? So we are going to ArcGIS box. This is it, the brownish color. If it is not there, you go to geoprocessing, you see it over there, then you open it. When you open it, then you go to special analyst tools. Do you get it? Then you narrow to, you go down, then you will see surface. Have you seen it? When you select that surface, then you select slope. Have you seen that? So at the first input drop down, you select that particular DEM. You come here, then you name it into the folder you are working with, Tafo slope. Do you get it? So here degrees, you can maintain them. Do you understand? Yes. Then you click OK. So now this is the slope of the area. So you right click, then you reduce it to 5, you right click, then you format the labels to this one significance figure. So this is it. Have you seen it? So these areas are steep areas, and we are also having these areas that are very, very low when it comes to the slope of the area. Have you seen the whole logic and the analysis we are doing? Yes, so this is the slope of the Tafo municipality of the Ashanti region of Ghana. Yes, so that is it. Yes, so if you want to create the slope of an area, that is how we do it. So let us uncheck the slope. Let us go back to the dam. So now, how do you create the elevation map with a dam? It is very simple. Already the dam is showing the high and the low of the area. So if you don't want the color, you can select the dam, then you come here, then you choose your preferred color. You get it? So we know that these areas are low-lying areas of the municipality. Have you seen that? And these areas are high-lying areas. What if you want to divide them into classes? If I want to use this to create a flood risk assessment map, I need 5 classes to create that. Do you get it? So you right click, you go to properties, then you go to symbology, then you choose classified. Reduce the classes to 5 if they are not up to 5. Then you choose your preferred color ramp. You right click, you format the labels to significant figures to 1. This is it. So from, let's say, very high, high, moderate, low, very low, or you can maintain the figures. Have you seen that? Yes. So this is also the elevation of the area as compared to the slope. Do you get it? So you can choose the stretched or the classified, depending on the analysis you want to do or the presentation you want to do. So this is the stretched. Have you seen that? So you just come here, then you choose your preferred color. Then you know you get the high and the low of the area. So the low lying area is 259 above sea level, and high is 315 above sea level. Have you gotten it? Yes, so that is it. Now I said that I will add the contour. So to do the contour, we are going to use this particular dam. So you go to the Arc toolbox, Special Analysis 2, you see the surface over there. Then you choose contour. The first input drop down, you select the dam, Tafo dam. So you come here, then you right click, then you just select the folder, then in it you write contour. Do you get it? You save. So the contour interval, let us choose 10 and see 10. So you can maintain everything, then you click OK. So these are the contour. Have you seen that? So you can change the color. So let's say this. If it is not visible, you can choose a visible color. Now let us go to the attribute table. You see that we have ID 1, 2, 3. Then we have the contour. You get it? So we want to label the features. So you right click, you label features. We want to see if it is the contour that is showing. So you right click, you go to properties, then you go to labels. It is the ID that is showing. So you want to show the contour. Do you get it? Now we know that this is the 310 above sea level, and this is 270 above sea level, 290. Do you get it? So that is it. That is how you create a contour from a dam. Let us try another one. You select the dam again. The contour interval, let us choose 5. Okay. You see that they have become so many. Have you seen that? Yes, they've become many. So when you are creating, the smaller the contour interval, the more contours you are going to get, and vice versa. Do you get it? So know that and have it at the back of your mind. So that is it. That is how we create the slope and the contour of an area. You get it? Then you can design the map and make the map look very nice. If you want to know how you can design a map, you can watch these videos. That is the links over there. They will teach you how you can design a map at the layout view. Yes. So yes, thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.